Welcome back to Fort Lewis. We are on our way to Deer Lake Cabins. I used to work there. It is a beautiful 850 acre ranch out by the lake. They have maybe 85 horses on the property and a gigantic mountain of horse manure. The managers are super kind. They let me come out here and collect poop every couple of weeks while I prepare the garden for the spring. And so we're gonna go get our first load. It's pretty impressive and it does miracles for my garden. So I'm very excited to get started. This is Panther Creek Pass. It's a beautiful little back road that runs up all the way to the lake. There are lots of deer, birds out here. This little clearing over here, I've seen bald eagles out here. I've seen owls, hawks, fox, all kinds of fun stuff. Okay, we're gonna get the truck parked. There are some cows out here. These are cows that are used to train the cutting horses. They've got little sharp horns, and most of the time they're afraid of me, but sometimes I'll turn around and there'll be like 5 standing behind me. It's a little bit scary, so we're gonna work fast just because they're not super domesticated. So this is the mountain. This stuff is fabulous. It has been composting for a long time. There's no odor to it whatsoever. It's beautiful, black, has a little bit of sand mixed in it because this is from the arenas that they practice in. So there's sand, horse manure, sometimes a few wood chips, but it's all been decomposting for a long time. I like to get towards the bottom of the pile because that's the older stuff. This is just beautiful organic matter to add to the garden beds. This stuff has really changed the profile of the soil in my garden. My garden's just fluffier, healthier, and I've noticed a lot more earthworms since I started adding the horse manure. So I think it's great stuff. So we're just gonna fill all of our buckets. Get as much as we can. In the course of the season, I'll probably come out about 7 or 8 times just to get as much as I can. These buckets don't hold a ton. I wish I could get a whole trailer load. Okay, we're just about loaded up. I think I probably have a couple of 100 pounds here maybe. This is fabulous material. If you know any farmers, don't be afraid to ask if they've got a manure resource because it is like black gold for the garden. I'm gonna load the truck up and hit the road. When it warms up a little bit, we'll start spraying this around the garden. Thank you for joining us at Fort Lewis. If you know of a fantastic resource for free organic material, I would love to hear about it in the comments section below. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell below for notifications. We'll see you again real soon.